Well, you ever had this happen before? See that light flashing right over here? It's your passcode. Truck won't start until that. So the best thing to do is just leave the ignition on, kick back, listen to some music. I have the solution in the glove box in there. I'll show you how to fix this. So this is the solution to get that to stop doing that. It sucks when that does that. I mean, what if Bigfoot was chasing after me, or I was in Chicago and they were trying to rip me out of the car? Yeah, so this sucks. You don't want that, you know. Jason be trying to rip your door open. But yeah, so you got to replace this guy. You got to pull this off down under here. This cover off carefully. There's a couple bolts in there. It pops off. So once we get this sumbitch started, because all my tools are at home, we'll switch this out and maybe I'll stop doing that. What we're gonna do is start pulling these 3 bolts out right here. So you have the 1, 2, and then 3 right here. That's where you want to get in. This one. Kind of see it's at a weird angle. Alright, let's see if this works. Just got that. I'll stick that in there like that. And then put your key in like that. Okay. Alright, I'm going to try to press the screen. Pop it off like that. So after you do your, you'll turn the key on, but don't turn the truck on yet. And wait till that light starts flashing, and then you'll turn the truck off, go do something, come back like 10, 15 minutes later, turn the key again, let that light flash. You gotta do about 3 times to reprogram the ignition, and then it'll start. So, yep, that's how you do that. So hopefully that helps somebody.